Hi, my name is Pam. I work offshore in the oil and gas industry, but I'm sick of going away from work, going away from home. So I'm looking to start a property business because I tell everybody else to do that and then I don't do it myself. I've got a property in Gretna that's falling to bits, so I have spoken to quite a few people in the group to try and find my way forward with that. So I'm working on it. And the other business is I want to go into business. Well, my sister's started a website for the wedding industry in Gretna because that's where we're living at the moment. And but it's not making any money, so that's what I've come on this course for, to try and find out about marketing and how to make money out of a website. So I haven't got a clue how to do that. Because social media scares the living daylights out of me. I haven't got a clue about it.